Hi, I'm Brett and congratulations on purchasing a Redsbaby JIVE⁵ Pram. I'm going to show you how to assemble your pram. First, put your frame on the floor, release the latch with one hand and simply lift up. Pick up one of your rear wheels, press your black button in the middle and slide it in, and then release the button. And do the same on the other side. Moving to the front wheels, line the hole up with the pin and simply click it in, and do the same for the second wheel. And now I'll take you through how to set up your bassinet. To set up your bassinet, you'll need your bassinet, the lining that goes inside, the mattress, the apron and the adapters. Inside your bassinet, you have 3 metal struts that need to be pulled out to set up your bassinet. With each one of these struts, you just need to pull them out till the bassinet expands open. It's time to put the lining inside. With your lining, there's Velcro that matches up with the Velcro on the inside. Start all the way in the front and then work your way around the inside of the bassinet. Once your lining is set up inside, you can just simply place your bassinet mattress at the bottom. You can then pull forward the canopy, get your bassinet apron, which has magnets on the side, which simply line up with the magnets on the side of the canopy. You'll have a set of adapters. There's a left and a right adapter, and it says on the front of the adapter which side. Simply click them into the frame, wait for the click, pick up your bassinet and slide them into your adapters. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the seat. How to assemble the seat. The seat will already come with a canopy on when you take it out of the box. Simply pick up your seat and click it into the frame. Then simply attach your bumper bar. Click it into one side and click it in on the other side. Now I'll show you how to assemble your Jive if you're setting it up for a tandem. How to set up the Jive tandem. When you do purchase the second seat, you'll get your second seat and 4 adapters, 2 upper adapters and 2 lower adapters. First, pick up your lower adapter. It will have L or R on the top of the adapter. To put on the adapter, simply remove the wheel, open the adapter up and slide it over the frame. Once on the frame, it will click into place and put back on your wheel. Repeat the same for the other side. Once done, click the wheel back on again. Now fold your seat basket in, pick up your second seat and it simply clicks into the back. Clicks in on the side, push down and then the same on the other side. Now with your upper seat. First, pick up your upper adapters. Again, you've got a left and a right adapter. Simply click them into the frame. If you have a bassinet, you'll be able to put in your bassinet at this point using the bassinet adapters. If not, and using the second seat, click your main seat straight into the top adapters. If you have any further questions, reach out to our local customer care.